those piston rings have to seat. Okay, get that kind of where I want it. Make sure we're tight. Okay, good. Hopefully this just knocks right in. Just like it's supposed to. This, pretty much down on there. Here's your front.
Filming this?
Yeah. Cameras are on, but I can cut anything out. And so this is the last one, and this is like this should. The other two went just fine, and this one. That's it. Go up.
There.
Okay.
I'm not going any further. Is it started?
Wait, hold on. I gotta figure something out here.
Different screw sizes or lengths?
Yeah, we have two that are longer. I don't know what those go to. Craig did not specify what those went to. I bet they go right here though. Yeah, might be those. I don't think it matters.
Is there anything I can do over here, like start it by hand or wait for you to get over to this side?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. that one went in there so hard, but. I'm of the opinion that it doesn't matter. I'm of the opinion that it doesn't matter. Okay. What's going on here? Oh, I bet. Okay, hand me one of those long screws.
Okay.
I bet that's what that's for.
Okay, well, you got 3 of them here.
Yeah, I just need one of them. We'll see if one of them works.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. Maybe. This might be too long, but. I don't think that's where a long screw went, but it's fine. I don't really care at this point. Oh, that's unfortunate, but we're going to use it anyway, even though it's half.
What do you need?
Boys, but we got the oil pan back on. Finally. Not that we did a good job at any of this, but now I gotta fix the pulley. I don't know why that thing's bent taking it off, unless I messed something up, but
Didn't we pull a head bolt out of something that was all corroded?
no, we were having to on the other tractor. We were having to mix and match from that box of bolts I got because the head bolts on that thing were messed up. Remember, we had to chase all the threads on that thing too.
That's right. Man, that seems like ages ago, but it really wasn't that. Wasn't that long ago we were working on that.
Come on. Okay, that one doesn't like that hole. That one doesn't like any fucking hole. What the fuck? Threads look fine. Yeah, it's just gonna have to go.
Yeah, it'll go.
I guess it's just dirty threads on the block, but. You know, it would help if these weren't so fucking long-winded.
Well, they're biting pretty firm.
That's where I do all the speed wrenches. We have one, but I don't think we have one you know, to use this size socket.
Yeah.
Come on.
The quickie twister at work.
Work.
You grab water.
Yeah.
You want one?
I'm gonna go after this. I'm gonna go down and get a Gatorade.
Okay. I may have
Oh,
that
I
in
got
there
it.
too.
I found it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna set you right there, phone. And you already set it 45. Well, that was quick. Three. 4. 5. 6. 7.
What's that?
I'm just going through. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 15. I gotta undo this one. Sucks. Alright. Now,
Doing what the book says. Did you say that, you can you still buy new 8-inch hip bolts?
I don't know. Yeah, but they're like $9 or $10 a piece.
What? Oh, are they special? Or can you just go get a grade 8 at from the hardware store?
I'm assuming you could get a grade 8, but you might not have the right length. The length is what's important. And they have to have the shoulder. You know, like where they're not threaded the whole way.
Boy, sometimes water hits the spot. Other times it's boring.
I guess your dad's finished. He's relaxing in a chair on the porch.
You're gonna double check me, make sure I didn't miss any.
Absolutely.
They're all torqued, so you shouldn't need to follow the sequence anymore. They're torqued to 70. So.
Right. That, you guys engineered that basement drainage system like a NASA spacecraft, triple redundancy.
Have to now. Are they moving it all, or is it just? No.
That one moved ever so slightly.
I mean, you know, we might have to come back. We're going to definitely have to come back and do this once we get it running.
Yeah,
But that's why I want to run it without the hood on for a while.
we could take the extension out and use a short socket
Yeah.
and slip under the hood, couldn't we?
Well, yeah, but I don't think we'd ever get this one.
Well, that's possible.
All the other ones are probably doable.
That's possible. Oh, this rotated on me. Oh, you're just doing a 50 right now.
No, it should be a 70.
I may have rotated it.
What the hell just happened here? Okay, well, it moved.
Yeah, I felt it. Is that one down? This one?
Yeah. That's the special one.
Why, what makes that the special one? What do you call it?
Well,
Yep, gotta hit the ground at least once. All right. I don't want that there. All right.
I hate those things, don't you?
They can be stubborn sometimes. But I like doing it this way rather than mounting
Yeah, it's
the
easier to
carb.
do it as you than trying to do it behind there. I've ran into that a few times. Get this out of the way.
There we go.
Smell the onions. Do people eat those fucking things, Craig?
Well, what are you talking about?
Stupid wild onions.
Oh, I guess so.
They just smell like fucking onions.
Can't say that. Oh, I might have as a kid. Come on. You're the best little tool till you're not the best little tool. Okay. Snug and snug. You're doing this. Lovely. Maybe I need to just work from here. Lovely again.
Craig. That was a bad time for me to start having the cramp.
It's all right. I don't know if I got this clamp on good enough or not, but
Oh, fuck off. Don't worry, Dad, you're not gonna miss the first start, because after this, we're gonna take a break, so.
Oh, you getting ready for the first?
No, you're not gonna miss it,
Oh,
because we're gonna take a break after we get, because we already got the coolant and stuff in, it's,
okay.
you know, basically ready to go, minus hooking up the, fuel. So.
Back, son of a bitch out of here without
Is your right front tire low? I could be completely no, never mind. I was looking at something different. So. It just looked weird from over there.
Oh, I'll check it out.
Don't forget your beers on right there on your.
well, we'll start out there and see what happens.
Huh?
I'm just yapping at myself.
I couldn't hear you.
Just yapping.
Dad's mower. So you might want to get that bottom on first before you put the top on, maybe.
Yeah, I'm looking for a hose clamp that I can't find. Yeah, it's right there.
That's all you put there, Craig. Don't worry. You're always completely 100% aware of your surroundings.
Most of the time, 62% of the time I am. And it would help if the part's in there first.
Still on down there?
It will be.
Okay, you're good. You're good. You are good, sir. The only thing with this one is you want to make sure it is. Here, I'll just do it from my side. I always put this in a position where I can get to it from within the, you know, when you open the door.
Yeah.
All right. Ready for beer 30?
Yeah. Number one. This goes counterclockwise. This is number. Which one is this? This one is number. There's no way that's. If. It's 1, 2, 4. This should be the longest one right here. And that goes to there. 1, 2. This one is. This goes to there. Wait, did I say this was 4? Yeah.
Okay, so this goes here. And then this one goes here. That makes sense.
Okay.
I'm just trying to. You still gotta tighten that.
Oh yeah. I've done that before. Okay, I think we're flooded. Let's see if we get any spark here.
Well, it tried to do it for a second.
Yeah. How can I drain that out of that card real quick? I don't want to. Let's just check for spark. Now I'm guessing this spark is happening at the right time. We'll see. Not bad. Can I just go ahead and hit that button?
Yeah, but the battery's to get low, I think. So.
Okay.
Need to hold it somewhere?
No, I think we can just rest it right there. So I can go ahead and do it, right?
Mm-hmm. Do it?
Yeah.
Oh.
That makes no sense. Jumper pack, we got that.
Battery's dying.
Why would the fuck it
Because
stop?
the battery's dying.
I know, but it started with 3 cylinders, and
Please be charged, jumper pack, please. It's 75%. This ought to crank it up.
Shit, get in my way.
I don't know where you rest this at.
Now,
Let's
there's-
see. Well,
here's-
do you know positive and there?
I can't.
There you go. Now I think you'll have to turn it back on, but
you want me to hold it, Tyler?
There's just no place to put it. Like, that's my problem right now. I have no place to fucking put it.
I'm just gonna give it a spritz now. Okay.
It wasn't on. That's why we're good. washer too.